Walter from Bel Air has some runoff concerns.
Yeah, it's his second floor condo balcony, Tom. They just built
I thought it was a political thing. Runoff?
No, it's not that kind at all. No, but he is pandering for your vote on this one. Walter writes, during construction inspection, we discovered that the second floor balcony has no slope on it at all, and we're worried that could cause water penetration issues. It currently has a blue stone tile on a wood platform. He's got a picture here, and he shows you where the
looks nice, actually.
Yeah, it does. He wants to, do you think I could break out the existing tiling, not mess with the membranes or new decking, and just lay tile with a 1.5% slope? Or do you think the balcony needs to be stripped out and the joists redone and all that?
Well, first off, before we get into stripping anything, if it's new, if they detailed it right, if it's flat and it doesn't leak, you might not do anything at all, because it's not going anywhere and it eventually will blow off or run off, however you want to do it, however you want to say it. 1.5 is too much. You'll be running off with the water. So that's on that short run, it's no good. 1% is pretty common. But first off, I don't know if you have to do that. If they really detailed it and flashed it and did it right, it's probably already taken care of itself. So I would wait it out a little bit until you see signs of problems. But if you do see signs of problems, and you do want to do that runoff, and if you do see signs of problems, I think you got some flashing issues, some door pan issues, something around the balcony that needs to be addressed too. It all has to go down to the decking, and what you have is you have a roof that goes down with a proper flashing, then you come back with your mud set, then you put your tile on, you can get a little bit of slope away. You certainly don't want it sitting against the house. But again, that doesn't mean it's still going to leak, because if all the pans and flashing was done right, it'll just dry out. It won't penetrate through. So right now, I don't think I'd do anything, but you're not going to be able just to pull the tile out, because all that underlayment will get destroyed with all that work. And so you're going to put it all back together and miss one or two spots, and you're going to have a big leak. So you're going to have to redo the whole thing, but not the joists. The joists are fine.
So you say wait, see how it performs. It's possible that they've detailed it in a way that it may not be a problem at all.
Yeah, even on flat roofs, you get a little puddling, but it doesn't go through. It eventually dries up. You go on a flat roof, a big commercial building after rain, you'll see little puddles everywhere. It just doesn't drain off perfectly. Everybody thinks it's supposed to, but it doesn't. But if it's detailed right, flashed right, underlayment's done right, all the details are taken care of, it won't leak.
And under new construction, chances are they did.
If they had a good builder, good Ideal Roofing used to do all my detail work on my patios like that. We didn't have any problems. But it is custom flashing, custom door pans. I mean, you have to really pay attention to the detail.
All right. You got questions about your details? Go ahead and send them to us, and Tom will chew them over and give you an answer just like that in a video that we'll post on our YouTube channel, our website, or even our Facebook page. If you haven't joined the 38,000 people who are following us there, we'd sure appreciate it.